Alright gang, it's been a while. I had to change backdrops for you. Anyway, we'll go over that's another story. Looking through the news articles, and I couldn't help but read this one. Excuse me. It says Miami residents warned of falling iguanas. Iguanas, the lizards, and had to get into that a little bit. A little bit of a weird story. Anyway, it says due to the cold snap, the temperatures, the jet stream or whatever the hell it is, pushes a little cold air down from up north. Our fellow brothers and sisters and cousins and aunts and uncles and friends up there, they live it all the time, but these iguanas are not used to it. It said if the temperature drops below 50 degrees, them iguanas go into some super sleep state. Just the vital organ stays running. And if it drops down below 45 or 40 for over 8 hours, it'll kill them. And depending on the size of the lizard. So said some of them get up to 5 feet long, 25 pounds, 25 pounds. I don't know. I saw some in Cuba that looked like they was bigger than that, but I was a little guy, 19, 20 years old, 21. So, there you have it. Invasive species getting knocked out because of the cold. There's a reason why everybody is where they are, So, no longer gonna rain cats and dogs. Quite possibly rain iguanas. Welcome back. Like, share, subscribe, comment. This is Mo, damn it. Tiger Creek Ironworks out.